definitely a pair of sneakers. I always like to go to the gym and play basketball or work out, so I think that's essential to bring.
My Beats by Dre, because I like to have my headphones on.
My cell phone, especially my FaceTimes, because I love to FaceTime my daughter when I'm out of town, be able to see her and my son.
Burt's Bees chapstick, not just any chapstick. Burt's Bees chapstick.
I bring at least 6 or 7 extra outfits that I'm absolutely not even going to unfold and wear. I don't know why I do this, but I do it every single time, and my fiance makes fun of me about it.
It's not what I pack, it's what I don't pack. I always leave a little extra space because if I'm traveling somewhere, I always want to kind of bring something back from where I travel to.